Good day, folks. My name is Stuart. Today I'm going to introduce to you to the most versatile instrument in the whole world, and this is called a guitar. Now the guitar, what is nice about the guitar is you can carry it everywhere, and there's so many things that you can play on a guitar. Now let me show you today what you can play on a guitar. First of all, let us turn the guitar around and you put a game called 30 seconds on the guitar. Now you can play 30 seconds on the guitar. If you don't know how to play 30 seconds on the guitar, you can play chess on the guitar, or you can play dumboard on the guitar. So this is your first thing that you can play on the guitar. Your second thing that you can play on the guitar, you're going to need headphones, because now it's going to make a loud noise. So you put on your headphones, and then you take your Ferraris, your two cars, and you play there. And it goes like this. Oh, there the one wheel is off. Put back the wheel, and go again. Is that the sound of a Ferrari? Never mind. Okay, so you can play cars on the guitar. Your next thing that you can do on your guitar is you can play with your food. I've made with my food, I've made my little, I don't know if it's a dog or if it's a cat or a rhinoceros, but anyway, you play with this. So you play with that. Furthermore, you can play also on a guitar. Let me show you this trick. It's a very nice trick. Put this on the guitar and you take the egg, you do this. And that is the trick that you do on a guitar. Is break eggs on a guitar. So that's another thing that you can play on a guitar. Then next thing with your guitar is you can play cowboys and crooks on the guitar. Take your hat and you take your guitar, say hello to my little friend. Okay folks, and then the next thing that you can play on the guitar is you can even play music on the guitar. Look there, it's playing music. Who have ever thought that you can play music on a guitar? It's even got an amplifier. But now, instead of amplifying it, it is making the sound a little softer. So, if it's too loud, remember to put on your headphones. Now guys, if there's 3 lessons that I can teach you today, the first lesson is that you've been deceived, because you thought that if there's 5 things to play on the guitar, it's 5 songs to play on the guitar, and that's not what that is not the truth. So just show you how easy it can be deceived. The second thing that I want to teach you is the fact that you must get your message out there. So what I've done is I have just create a platform to get my message out there, and I hope guys, if you see this, that you're going to send out this to all your friends, so that I can get my message out there. My message that I want to give to you today is I am selling windows and doors. Now I can basically any solution for windows and doors, whether it's sliding windows or top-hung windows, whether it's aluminium windows, wooden windows, whether it's sliding door, whether it's shower doors, garage doors. I can give you basically every solution that you want, and I can give you a solution at a very good price, and my promise to you is that you're going to get it in a good time. So you're not going to put your deposit down and wait for 2 months and so on. So that is my message to you. I've got a message. I want you to be a partner in my business. I want to be a partner in your business. Thanks guys. I will soon put down another message. My name is Stewart. Email stew, S-T-E-W, @polka, polka.co.za. Telephone 082 450 2448. Thanks.